Hello, this is Miriam from Spotahome.com Valencia, and today I'm going to show you a flat which is in the street Salvador Giner in the neighborhood of El Carmen. El Carmen is a great neighborhood, it's very popular. It's full of antique buildings because it's in the oldest part of the city. It's close to the shopping mall, to the Bed River, to so many beautiful things. And about the apartment is you rent it as a wall apartment. It has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and a complete kitchen. So let me show you. Okay. I'm now in the kitchen, as you can see. Okay, in the kitchen you have this nice storage space here. You have the kitchen stove, it works with gas. You have lots of space here for the things, the cutlery and so. You have a double sink here, a freezer, an oven, a microwave. Okay, this is the laundry space. It's a bit small, but it's in the outside. It's outside the house. This is what you can see from the laundry space. You have some cats there. The washing machine, the water heater, it works with gas natural. Okay, moving on. Now, better. This is the entrance. Okay. This is the first bathroom. In this bathroom you have the sink, you have the shower, the bidet, and I'm sorry, I said the shower, I mean the toilet, and a bathtub. Okay, and here you have some space for towels or soap, shampoo, everything. Okay. Here we have the second bathroom. This one has a shower instead of a bathtub, which is nice, so you can choose whatever you prefer. You have a toilet here, you have a sink, mirror, and some space for the towels over there. Okay. Now, this is one of the bedrooms. This one has a single bed, a standalone closet, wardrobe here. As you can see, you have some space, some extra space here. You have the desk. It's a good sized desk. You have these drawers here. So yeah, it's really nice for studying or just use the computer. And so you have this shelf here also. And let's see if I can open this. Okay, this leads to an interior patio. Okay, moving on. Here we have the living room. Okay, you have this table here, there's a space for eating, having dinner. You have 2 sofas here, this beautiful coffee table, the TV, so it's a nice area to just relax. And this is the balcony. This is the street Salvador Giner. As you can see, it's a quiet neighborhood. Okay. Another bedroom. This one has a single bed too, and a good size desk also. The window leads to the same patio as before, and you have a built-in closet here. Okay, you have some space here. No. Next bedroom. This is a nice one. You have single bed, bedside table. Okay, that was the wind, but it was scary anyway. Desk with a chair. This shelf here, you have this this wardrobe, this standalone wardrobe here. Okay. And you have this huge window that leads to the street. Okay. And now into the last bedroom of all, you have here, okay, double bed in this one, 2 bedside tables. You have here the desk. All the desks in the house are huge. This great window that leads to the street too. And in this bedroom you have a built-in closet again. So yeah. Okay. So this was everything. I hope you liked the flat, and thanks for watching, and that's all. Adios.